Ukraine and she na Zazu. They say pikin we go strong, no be until you name am Samson. And pikin we go talk until no be until you name am Tatafo Gist. I want welcome on to Tatafo Gist with our Queen Caribbean. With not only me, be that woman with they talk all the army, but with they come from internationally, locally, and yonder. So before I'm gonna give you all this story, we don't talk about Tatafo Gist today. I bet we could go somewhere. We will come back to real full ground. Let's not go anywhere. Honestly, down about Jesus and our precious Queen Calliope, and the doctor say inflation, it don't drop, and it don't drop. Now the lowest will drop for 12 months now. So NBS now in talk as they get us, they do for my body, man. As they say the price don't drop. Now good news, I take start this today to for Tatafo Gist. You know, say my body now me say today, from today onwards to this December finish. Now good news, I gonna bring for Tatafo Gist. I don't know what the next story go be, but I don't start with good news. So make on carry drink when I sit down, make on realize when they steep like saying about people. So NBS where they call National Bureau of Statistics don't talk say prices of commodity they increased in December 1st. December last year, but you know say for Nigeria waiting go up, no they too come down like that, as it be like saying a miracle don't happen. They don't talk say inflation rate don't drop for November, but now December they return the story. But for me, I know to see where anything drop because you get one milk what they like to drink, the milk now 200 and now 200 and they sell it now. Before now 120, for 120 now 150, for 150 180, but now 200 now. And but one economy senior lecturer what they call Dr. Olalekan Awoye come out really explain all the inflation matter with this man talk. He say inflation means say when prices just they run like say person they pursue money. You know when they pursue money now so prices of things they run for market. He can say the report no mean say prices drop on a talk say inflation don't come down. Now on a constant talk say no be say prices of things don't come down. I don't understand. Make una no confuse us. At least they say confusion break bone pa. You know, so already I don't tell my people say I bring good news for them. But now we're in the middle of the whole story and they hear say dog catch rat, rats catch dog come pursue cat. I don't understand. He said the price increase, but they increase small. I mean they come down small. That means say the price don't come down and they're gonna come down small. But we don't know where they come down to. Shana for tomato, I've been for fuel where they say they want to increase. I been now for milk what they buy, what they like to take cornflake, take golden more. Maybe now he won't come down. I don't know. And he said the rate. He said the rate where price increase this year. Say go small compared to when we last year to early this year. And the managing director of the Cowrie Assets Management Limited, Mr. Johnson Chukwu, contact say we they see decreasing rates like this, so say na better thing. See make we they pray say it go just they reduce like that. So I know some of them follow me laugh because you know say when person talk say something they come down, and me and you know say for Christmas nothing they come down, but make we believe say they as they say the government has our life in their heart. And when they talk, make they hold your mind like this. So when we believe say that our word is in there, you go bend down before you talk. And when you want to say heart, you go stand up in our heart. So I go leave that story like that because now government now get the final say. And they say God they have the final say. But for this Nigeria, government got the final say. Yo. That song, nobody singing and me relate. Now me be the composer and the writer. So what's in the for Tatafo Gist and Gist today as husband killing while man swallow spit. Man swallow spit. I don't want to drink my drink now because I don't want to waste time for this story, because this story no be story we're supposed to take drink. I go save my drink, I go drink her later because they never feel celebrate for this kind story. Husband kill wife because of property. Now again a story be like a report where woman they miss for one area for the woman. They say the woman he done the miss and they can't see him body for cassava farm where his husband go put him body there, and this thing they happen for Afikpo. For South for Afikpo South for Ebonyi State, and this thing they say they don't they look for this woman Tete, they don't know where she dey, but they don't know say in husband don't go carry some people and they can't go kill this woman. They carry and kill, and why they kill this woman? The reason self they make me like say I want crazy. If your wife gets money, we could tell ourselves true. If your wife gets money, or you get money past your wife, or your wife get money past you, get property, not be your wife, not be you marry am, not be your name in the bear. If person you marry person and in the bear your name maybe be Chukudi, you can become Mrs. Chukudi. Now your own property be that, because they say now husband be head, now wife be neck. I don't know why some people need to understand. Be say now your wife, even if your wife gets money, now you still be her head. And now what you talk, now you go happen depending on how you they treat this woman. Now how you take care of Bikin, now you Bikin take grow. If you be carry beat, now they take train Bikin. When the Bikin grow up, no matter how they will take beat her, it beats no good enter in body again. But if you carry pets and pamper, love and everything they take care of woman or take care of man, that marriage goes sweet. Now so it be. But when man see woman finish, or when woman see man finish, love they there. Okay, now because of your wife get property, he get money, you kill him, and before they kill him, they carry the documents of our land and documents of plenty things. Now so they make and sign them. Now when she can't sign and finish, then they can't put her for, and they can't they can't strangle, they can't hold him tight for neck, can't kill him, can't go carry her body, goes through way. Husband we go lie down, say I won't marry your Bikin, no, I won't marry am, you carry palm wine, two of una share palm wine together. The woman they say go look for your husband, the woman carry cup like this, they look for her husband, until they see her people they happy, say she don't bring her husband come house. Now that the same husband carry call people take kill husband. And the age where they between them are 25 and 40 something, 25 years and 40 years, age don't even plenty. Between two of them, you don't kill your wife. Now when you kill your wife, waiting you gain, because people they talk say people who kill with knife, they go with knife. Now you don't kill your wife, you strangle your wife. I know they don't go strangle you, but they like what police people they do, because now police people don't catch them. They don't catch the people where they first catch the people where follow and kill the people. Now those people can't mention in name. Now they don't catch them, and they like what the police they do, because you get one. If you find out from people where go prison, they say get one special bean, so they give them. Where if you see the plate, now so the plates go big. But when you filter the plate of beans, so they will give them only 5 pieces of beans you go see. Mr. Frank Umba don't talk, say the PRO of the police people don't talk, say no, this thing also they go start for this matter, and they no go agree this matter go under carpet. As people they talk say man, no worry, nobody go hear about him again. So they go pursue this matter, and this man and in people will follow kill the wife. So they go to jam them. It go be like saying a trailer jam them, but trailer no go wound them. Now police be the trailer will jam them, and they go give them one bedroom too big. Now half bedroom they go give them for police station. If you the married person, that's why they say if you the friend person, make you know when person in your pocket you want. When you the friend person, you go know when person just love you for your pocket, or just like you say you fine, because they say beauty they fade away. Person handsome they fade away, but good character no they come up for life. Good character, good behavior. You go know when person like you for you. You go know when person love you real. Say this person say ground where you put for leg where you put for ground, in feel worship am, in they adore am, and before everybody he go to praise you and go to love you the more. So I beg, when you the friend person, I beg. Nobody take your tongue, they count your teeth. Make you know when person love you, and when you make you know when person just won't keep you, and for the meantime in they pray make something bad happen to you. And I still there for Dr. for gist and gist today, as not people don't they cry says federal government no send them again. I don't say the gbas gbos wey dey happen for north, though not only for north, even for Imo State, like that traditional ruler wey they kidnap. And I hear say they don't see in dead body. Now the place where they see in dead body, now so they see some human being where they don't roast like goats, some they don't kill them. You see car there, you see different things there, and the north where people they die every day for north. No be today we don't they hear not matter. You can't we no be say people they pray say people where they die there is good, but we don't they pray say make this kind of thing make you no reach Lagos, because just one community alone no be small, because if you enter Lagos market you go to wonder, no, now the whole Nigeria dey Lagos, you can't enter K2 market, you go say no, that the whole Nigeria dey K2. So now so that's why we dey pray make things like this no dey happen, make it stop. Say federal government don dey under attack as the DSS police people police don call oyibo people say na dispense, because people come dey protest say this thing not too much. Why federal government dey look us like say anya say we no be human being, they no care about us, they sleep, they kill us every day. We no go gree, we go protest for our life, we go protest for the life of our children, life of our papa, our mama, and our children wey go come life, come become leader of tomorrow. So now the UN don talk say 2.9 million people now don dey displaced for north. That means say some people no get house, they no get backyard of house, they no even, that means say they just dey waka, they no know where they will fit put their head for night, because everybody dey run for im life. And so far people don't come write petition. Now you get one thing they call petition, because I remember when Sylvester died, now so they go send am for our WhatsApp, so we could sign, say we agree, saying this thing must stop. And they say now 28,000 people now he don't sign, say this thing, a petition, they don't they seek, say the state don't become state of emergency. Sokoto, Zamfara, Katsina, and other states where they for northwest now ain't gather sign this signature. Say now state of emergency they now. Say they don't get anybody. Federal government no send them, and as federal government no send them because the insecurity don't too much. Say every time where you go here say they kidnap people, you go here say they keep people, you go here say they do people this thing. Say it don't tire them. And this petition we they write, so they write am no be for fight, they write am no be say na this thing, they write and they come together, they speak one voice, say they don't want all this thing again for north. Say okay, we say for north, most of the north people now Hausa people I won't make Buhari, make just be my man, make just they give me the story, they go say as they talk say north people na Muslims food there, but why we go they kill ourselves? Say President Buhari, our boo see need to sit down, say the life of these people they important. That's they come, they say, and they come call the thing where they start hash secure not hash not they bleed. That means say blood they come out for not. As many people they sign this petition from different groups, different houses, them both man or both woman or for the Middle West Forum and the human rights people activists where they call Omo Yele Shore on another man na we sabi come they give go federal government wow. Now he support these people, and also the police will dispense these people for Kano where they protest, and they say the protesters no be small because they don't arrest some people, they don't carry some people go sell, and also get some presenter wey go for that place now wey go cover this protest where they happen for Kano, they follow arrest them. Even some of them say as they arrest them, so they carry them go one place where they don't know, begin they question them, and we don't want wetin happen for NSAS make it happen for that place. You know, so that one happened for October, this one at December. All we they pray now be say all of us want peace, all of us want love, all of us want togetherness. As they say, we be three, but now one will be that's all the Christian or Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, every all the state or all the local government or everybody where they you be, you know they speak Igbo, you know they speak outside, you get language where they speak. All of us now one, because if you check that three hand we carry Nigeria up, that three hand now in they show say all of us when we carry one Nigeria up, that means say all of us now one. And make we dey be our neighbor, make we dey guide ourselves and they guide the next person within near us. The next person go guide the next person within us. So the north don't they shout say make President Buhari now he be the federal government, because if they shout federal government, once you go on social media go click federal government, now Buhari picture they go first show. They say if Buhari stand, say this thing must stand. When I remember say former president Olusegun Obasanjo come out recently say Buhari don't try for insecurity, as he don't try to guide Nigeria, but the insecurity don't big pass am, and that thing really break my heart, because if the former president fit come out all that kind thing, that means say truly everybody now need to dey watch guard. People need to dey guard themselves. If you sit down like this now, any place where you dey go, make you get eye for back, get eye for side, get eye for left, get eye for middle, because you need to protect yourself. And if you dey sleep with two eye, make you go need to use color pencil color on top of the eye where they take sleep to say they awake, because the insecurity for this country don't too much. And Sokoto, Zamfara and Katsina, another state where they for northwest, don't come and say abeg go, this killing don't too much and we don't tire. No be only us that they kill the military, the police people they guide us, they kill the militaries where they guide us, and we no want this killing again. May they help us. Even our sick property, millions of property with them get. People we don't build us, people we don't build us. Say this house, so my children go take and remember me. I don't build them more. Even if my children decide to break the land, break the house, the land still there. Now they destroy their property, they destroy wetin they don't work for. They even people now they displaced. Displaced means say e get some children now we don't know where their pa dey. E get some children we don't know where their ma dey. They will just dey walk up and down. You understand? So they beg make federal government make it come to north need them, because north don't become state of emergency. And all these things I don't go lie to you, if they make person if person they remember Nigeria, go be like say make we just save that 1.5. When my cousin tell me say with 1.5 I feel go Canada, make we just save and begin the zap, or Ghana we could begin the zap. But before we go zap they go, I beg make we go marketing and we will come back. I still there here, make una no go anywhere. Welcome back to Tata for Jesus with our Queen Calliope, and me be the queen with the giving all the G's where they come from internationally, locally, and yonder. The queen where I'm a buffalo mouth with the fist stop until she tell her the story with a 4 Nigeria. So president don't talk say he won't add money join for police salary. Boo boo don't come give police people a jolly message for this December. Say okay, man, I need to worry again because I don't know complain too much. I won't add money put for our salary, and I waiting people they always pray for. Recently, where I go Lagos, I go Eko Idumota. Not I say where you won't go Eko Idumota, I go say I won't go Lagos. People go call like no be Lagos today, so make other begin the start that kind small mistake. If one go Eko, say I won't go Eko. If one go Balogo, say I won't go Balogo. No, talk I won't go Lagos because na Lagos today, they confuse us. So federal government won't begin the pay won't begin to increase police salary from January. No be this year. Now January they won't begin to increase them. And the council, now the executive council, now approve 20% upward review of salaries of the Nigerian police force now in the one start for January 2022. And the Minister of Police Affairs now he come out talk am, say na him disclose am, that means na him come and talk am, say see wetin wan happen next year and it go happen. And but the thing dey make me laugh na the excuse wey they give why they won't take increase. I will come back tell her wait why I mentioned when I go market. I go come back tell her because I'm going to say she don't tell us the gist finish now. You don't mention Lagos and they come do matter come keep quiet. Now what they make me laugh now, why they mention why what the reason they give. They say last year for NSAS, say people all those youth people them will come and they say me they increase salary of police them. Now waiting happen for harsh NSAS protests. Now he rock the country. That's why now one of the demands where the protesters talk That's why they want to increase the salary. But we know that plenty things now protesters for NSAS now they ask for. They ask for so many things, but the only first thing where they want to do, what they want to do for January 2022, now make they increase police salary. We not say increment of police salary no good. We not say to add, because police people they protect us. Police people now people where if they work for they do checkpoint, and if they do checkpoint, they check papers. They protect us and they check papers. You know. So now for every demand where protesters demand, no only that one, nine our federal government pick. And that one they very, very tangible, and it very, very important as they talk about. Say one of the ways where they want to improve the relationship between the force and the Nigerian people. Say the council don't approve. Say the police duty to allowance go there, shift allowance go there, and some percentage go enter. That means they go tour and they go get that means you go come work today. If you don't come work today, if you come tomorrow or you don't come this week, you go still get allowance. Say you don't come work, and they won't release the amount of 1.2 billion naira for the payment of the uninsured benefits. That means all the benefits where they never insure, so they go pay them. And the minister come to say the sum of 13.13 billion naira they want approval for the outstanding debt benefit of 5,472 police personnel. That means all the debt and this thing, people don't die, they won't drop money and they don't calculate and say now 5,400. But if they calculate police, we could they calculate people who die too. Because you get some Nigerians when be police people don't die and their parents don't know what they want to do, and then now them be the breadwinner of their family. So I don't know if they go calculate those people job. And in courts, however, the payments no go only comment after the auditor of the General Federation don't sign on top. That means say until he okay now they go say okay, he don't okay but we no say anything for the government talk, we go benefit federal government, they go okay for them to release them, they don't okay And this man also talks say the tax say for tax money to 18.6 billion naira over, make we just talk about over 18 point something billion naira for junior police personnel. That means if it be junior police, when you never reach senior police, money take for you, they get money, they go share them. And they said this one will be the first time when the president they approve increment for police salaries. But still go hear police people they talk say their salary small. But more than don't see and now president they say don't say when president they increase their salary. For November 2018, the president verbally, that means the president come and use the mouth in talk and say he don't approve the increment for salary, and for national police force come give the assurance say the administration go continue to pay attention to the welfare and the operational needs of the force. However, the directive they don't do changes for the salary structure of the police people. And on our own part, the Minister of Finance, Budget and National Planning, where we know as Mrs. Zainab Ahmed don't all say this review of the police salary was not captured. That means no capture them when they start the billing for 2022. But for now, they go add them, join them, and government don't raise their shoulder say police who go increase on a salary, any muge we go pay, on a go shift we go pay, on a nito we go pay. And also if I remember when I start the mention about Echo, when I meet one last mama, wait tell me say police they collect salary past them. Now they won't increase police. Maybe very soon now, before December 31st, we go yes, they don't increase last month. So we see the for Tata for gist and I get given a gist as they don't won't increase their police salary. Last month they complained that they go increase their salary to VIO to they go increase them, and as soon they go increase and they go. But may they remember say Nigerian people, we need increment in our lives. So federal government no want Okada for Abuja again, as they don't announce say any Okada wey dey for Abuja now the one wey we know Okada now the people they wey they call vehicle inspection officers say they don't crush, they don't destroy. Crush now when you carry things can't destroy and turn am to sansan. 1,500 Okada for Abuja. 1, 2, 3, that's 1,005. If you dey count one, begin the country, and now what say they seized this bike between January to June 2021. The director of the service will be Wadata. That he come out and said seize them, and the riders no go gree obey traffic rules and regulations. And you know, say if these Okada people, before lights don't show green, green, they don't even waste time. Once it dey red, now they run zap. Even people they don't on top, I don't know why they didn't talk to them. And he talk say 600 bikes self still dey under their care and waiting they call process, and in talk say they go still crush all of them. Say last they go crush them. Say all these Okada people here, and some people they use this Okada, they do baba things, they use that and rob. Some people don't, they use and they kidnap. Some people they use and do different things. I don't go forget when one Okada man sees my phone, that my phone, no the other kind of phone would they be like TV. That's why I get when person dash me. If I carry the phone, go be like I carry my TV from household. And they say this one go be lesson to a lot of people, make they obey traffic law. And not only for Abuja, because I hear say for Lagos too, they go bring that law from Lagos. Say all these Okada people need a hear word, and they say they don't want Okada for some places. Use your ear, hear word. They say that fly when they hear word, nine they follow body enter grave. And bike man when they hear word, nine Okada they crush her like sand. And this thing they make my mind happy, because you get some people they use the Okada, they feed their family, they pay house rent. But when they say make you know do no do, when they say make you know go no go am. Take your ear, hear word. As tourists, there are people where they kill people. They say all these people they kill people, when they kidnap people, they get sponsors now. You get people they sponsor them. Say make federal government go catch all these people, they give them money or they sponsor them. Say make they stop, they accuse them. Now if the Northeast youth tell federal government, the executive director of the NEYID don't come out here and say make Oga them for the top, that's the Oga on the top where they call federal government, make they go find people, they sponsor all these people, they kill people for Northeast. You know, so not Northeast, the other story not North people don't tire. Say make they come, they say no, the only outside they kill, no only outside they kill. You get some people, they say before fire get born, like they say if you go river, you go just see one leaf where they dance on top of water. So now that leaf where they dance, it get bottom where they come from. Until you go there, you can't see the leaf. You know if they draw the up, because if they draw the up, you go see they grow. So when you go down and they beg federal government, say I beg, me gonna go find all these people, they sponsor these people, they pay them money to come keep people for Northeast. Say I beg, we don't tire. I beg, we love the government and may the government protect us by making they say now we the youth now be the bad people, why some people now the oga for the bad people. Honestly, therefore Tata for gist, and only they get the gist. But gist today, and I'm gonna give another gist, because if I don't give on a gist or story for Tata, on top of Tata for gist, I don't know how, and I go take no within they happen everywhere. As we don't come out, we don't want to help on her, we won't come help ourselves, because this Christmas it get plenty people they sell something. So if you follow these rules and regulations we're going to give on top of Iban TV, on top of Tata for gist, on I go understand where on I need to avoid some things. So tomorrow on I find out one woman we go sell drink of 200,000 with na counter. Money, bad money, they just come sell something, give them. So I beg, me gonna avoid scam. That's all these bad people we no get shop. They go say they sell hair. At the end of the day, you buy the hair online. They no go give you hair. They go carry your money. And this celebration are for all of us. This red, green, and white, where everybody go wear for Christmas Day. The color are for all of us, so we need to enjoy. And not so on Christmas Day they born me, so I need to honor. Me gonna save on one, so I go feel use that buy me gift. Boxing Day, even my birthday, 25th of November. So we're gonna save money. We're gonna no buy fake hair, no buy fake anything. So everywhere go choke, but online and offline, no. In fact, if you go market self, my first advice be say we small pikin no push on ourselves. Make una know the same person wey throw stone for market, if you use this stone wey throw go fit hit him mama. So if you don't want buy something, make una know say that people wey dey sell better thing, wey dey genuine, na una dey buy from. And if people give una money, when people buy things from una, Mona check the money where Mona they should say no be fake money they take pure na. I love Mona where and I know say I don't need today sing the song, say how I take love on her. But before we enter the gist, we're gonna raise on our hand and make we tell the pledge. We will return for Tata for gist. I want to remind us something. Make on always the remember something. And make on always the think something. Say na me love on our pass.